Hey everyone, welcome back to Those Guys Collections YouTube channel. Kyle here, and today I'm bringing you another Pokemon opening. We've got 3 different packages that I acquired. I believe I got them all from Walgreens. I know for sure this one came from Walgreens. I picked it up, A, because it was an Evolving Skies pack. You also get a Fusion Strike pack in here, and a pin. And this whole thing was like $11.99, so 12 bucks. These packs go for like $8, so plus the $5 Fusion Strike, so right there you got my money back. But this pin alone, I actually have the Latios pin that goes with this because I picked it up from a Rite Aid and I didn't think about it, and by the time I thought about it and went back for the Latios, they were already gone. So I have a whole pin collection, and this guy's going right in there. So pretty cool find at the local Walgreens. I may go back and get some more if I have some good luck. But I also grabbed these guys, which I think these came from Walgreens as well. I believe they were just on the end cap. But we have 2 different versions of what I kind of see as the same thing. You got Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno. And these come with a Silver Tempest and Astral Radiance pack. And then we get Galarian Moltres, Galarian Articuno, and Galarian Zapdos, along with another Fusion Strike and another Astral Radiance. So pretty cool little packs here. I believe these were like $11.99 as well. So you're pretty much paying a little extra for the cards, but those cards are going right in my binder. So I thought it was pretty cool because it's, that's 2 rows right there, and it's a pretty nice collection. I got actually pretty sure I already have these 2. Might already have that one, but now I have all of them. I can put them all in a set. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause, get these out of the packaging, and I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. So obviously I spared you the annoying sounds and waiting time of me ripping open the package and you guys getting bored and skipping. So right here we have everything that came in those packages. I was wrong, it was not a Fusion Strike, it was a Chilling Rain that came with the Evolving Skies. So that's a little different. We'll see what we get out of that. So what we have is 2 Astral Radiance, Silver Tempest, Fusion Strike, Chilling Rain, and Evolving Skies. Pretty nice variety here. So not a whole lot of duplicates. We're going to start with the Astral Radiance, and we're going to end with the Astral Radiance. But I do want to show you real quick. So this is one of the Pokemon official pins. So cool thing about them is they actually have a bunch of Pokeball designs here. Kind of hard for you to see. And they'll actually say Pokemon official pin. See if I can get you right in there. Yeah, you can see the Pokemon logo in there. And I'll say Pokemon official pin. So that's one cool thing is there's a lot of other companies out there that make pins, and there's a lot of non-official Pokemon pins that are still really cool, but these official ones are going to be worth some more money one day. You'd think. So, like I said, we're going to start with Astral Radiance. I'm going to sit here and battle the package for a second. That's why I spared you the cardboard part. If one side doesn't work, you always go to the other side, and it should be 10 times easier. I think it's, we're going to go 4 from the back. I believe it's 4. Yeah, cool. So we get energy. Let's do these as fast as I can here. Reverse Hollow Barboach and Glaceon. So nothing special in that Astral Radiance, but it is our first one. So let's skip to with the Fusion Strike. Even out my picture here. All about symmetry. I think I did a pretty good job on arranging my setup here for you guys. So 4 from the back. Rude. Darker as artwork's pretty cool. Reverse Hollow Passage and Meloetta. Nothing too fancy there. We're gonna go with Silver Tempest next. So far, we're kind of strike out. I haven't gotten any high dollar cards. I really hope I left myself enough time there to show you the prices on those cards. I try to go back and give you prices, but I never really know when I'm recording. I don't have a a team behind me telling me the prices of these as I pull them. Maybe one day, guys. Alrighty, that's a cool artwork for that Drowsy. Ooh, reverse hollow Candace and Miss Maggie is nothing too fancy there. All right, so let's hope for some good luck. Some of these reverse hollows may be worth a little bit, but I really haven't ever gotten any real rare reverse hollows. So we're gonna go to the Chilling Reign and hope for some. Hope our luck turns around here and for the rest of the video, because I really need a good pull out of that Evolving Skies. Oh, really nice pack there, and I actually really fought on saving them, or saving it. I don't have very many Evolving Skies saved up, so anybody who is opening videos at home, or opening cards at home, I do suggest put a couple sealed ones away. They're probably not going to be worth the money that ours were when I was growing up, but reverse hollow Snow Runt, and then Spirit Tomb. So nothing special in that pack either. So hopefully our luck has just been holding out on us, so we could get that Evolving Skies pull. Normally I'd end with the best pack last, but again, symmetry. We got 2 Astral Radiances, so we'll pull one at the beginning, one at the end. This makes sense in my mind. Sorry if it doesn't for you. Crossbow. Reverse hollow Floette. Come on, guys. All right, Ludicolo. All right, nothing. Oh, at least that one's hollow. So I mean, can't beat myself up too bad about that. So next up, we got the last Astral Radiance. Well, hopefully that Ludicolo will be worth something. I've not done too good. I have been away, haven't been able to make a video for a while. I have a new little girl, and she takes up a lot of my time. Not to mention work is always demanding, and these cards don't pay for themselves. So click that like down below, and make sure you tell your friends, give me some more subscribers, and I'll do another contest, guys. I really want to do another giveaway. My last giveaway went really well, and I'm actually, sent those out and got a confirmation that he received them. So I still gotta see if he actually opened them yet. I would like to see if he got anything good out of them. I did pull a couple out of my personal stash to send to him, so hopefully he got something really good. I will do the same in our next contest giveaway, so make sure you are subscribed, and if you're not, you click that subscribe button before their next contest starts. That's good. The first way to get entered is to be subscribed. So hopefully something good, and no. A non-hollow Jacob. Alright, it's absolutely nothing good in this opening, but it was not for nothing, because I got the Latias pin, which is really what I needed. I needed that for my pins. I don't really collect those. I have a bunch of these, but I don't do a whole lot with them. Tell me what you guys do with your coins, and if you think it's something worth saving. Drop a comment down below for that. But I'm going to bring you all my good cards, my hollows, my anything I pulled specially here in a second. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is my haul for the night. Not very impressive. I am pretty excited to add these to my binder, the Legendary Bird set. Nice. This should be a nice page filler. Ludicolo is the only hollow rare we got today. Hopefully it was worth something. Probably not worth much though. And we got a couple reverse hollows here. So again, none of these really are too impressive. Trainers for reverse hollows seem to go for a little bit more than anything else, as long as it's an actual trainer on there. So we'll see how that goes. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you click that subscribe button before our next contest starts, so you can get in and don't have to worry about that later on. We have all a whole bunch of other ways to enter, but no matter what, as long as you're subscribed, you'll always be entered into every one of our contests and giveaways. So click that subscribe button, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these openings, and if you think card packs from like Walgreens, Rite Aids, if you think those are worth it. I live close to a couple, so I try to buy a couple here and there from each and see, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Click that bell button so you're subscribed, and we'll see you at the same time, same place next time. Thanks, guys.